What is up guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today we are back with the boosted Micra. We've had a couple of episodes with this boosted Micra now with Paul Lee himself. The first one being on the road, Paul giving a slight description of his boosted Micra, just his passion behind it I guess. The road was pretty wet there, so the second one we've got onto the track when it was dry, and we showed exactly how this boosted Micra could perform. Paul's skills of heel and tone, just his driving skills in general, and how he changed the car from road setup to track setup. We then had a third video of Paul walking around the car and giving you a full description of how he made his boosted Micra, how he made his boosted track car. And you guys seem to be enjoying these boosted Micra videos, so we have came back now with a fourth video of a 0 to 60 run. 3 runs guys, getting an average at the end. The road we used, I can't say it was perfect, it had a slight curve in it, but we've done what we can. I hope you enjoy the video guys. Hit that like button, put any comments below, and let's get in to this video. Well, there we are guys, there is the 3 0 to 60 runs there for you. As you can see, that second run there, it wasn't perfect, there was a lot of wheel spin there, so I've cut it down to a first and third run there to show you an average. Its average is usually actually 7.3 on the road. Like I say, that road did have a slight curve, but 7.7, 7.8, really not that bad, was it? So guys, we're going to be coming back with a 5th video as well. Instead of a 0 to 60 run, we're going to be doing 60 to 0. Let's see how good them brakes perform in the next video, eh? But leave a like on this video, guys. Comment below, as I said. Any questions, me and Paul are always there to answer them. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that notification for the next video. Until the next one, peace out and take care.